What are you trying to do? Huh? Kisa na nga, pwede ka makatkat. Oh my lord. What are you trying to do, my love? We have... Huh? We have to go now. We have to go. Hello.
Good morning, guys. Ohio gozaimasu.
Oh, when she woke up this morning, sabi niya sa akin paglabas na ng room, Ohio.
Ohio gozaimasu.
Ohio gozaimasu. It's so good.
So when you're saying hello,
Hi, girl. Lagi panlabo.
to a kid, you say Ohio.
Okay.
When you're saying hello.
Oh, nice, honey. What are you having at school today? Huh? Mommy. Yeah. What is it? So the parents are having they're having fun run this morning. So she's wearing her sport, yeah, shirt. Dada, how about you? How about you? What are you doing this morning? Hmm? What are you doing this morning? Karap karap. Yeah, I know. Where's Daddy there? Huh? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? What is it, my love?
And what? Mommy's coming to see the fun run.
That's right. Yes, Mommy and Celine's going to see the fun run. Interesting. This is our first one.
It's our
So,
first
sa loob
run.
lang naman ng school.
It's our first run.
That's right. We have to go. Agay, Ling! Agay! We have to go now because we'll be late. Oh, my just Lord. Where's your shoes, Ling?
We're going at 9 o'clock.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Like, enemy here. So, ito yung kanilang ano, oh. Celine loves this one, guys. Every time. Dito. Come on, let's go. Let's find your shoes. Good girl. Okay, come on. Bag, ate.
I want to put some more pins.
Later when we get home, okay? Oopsie. Oh, man. We'll be using this bag again because why not? I'm loving this one, guys. Super, super cute. What's wrong?
She wants more.
Wait, that's Ate Paris' bag, man. Taka. Ang maldita nga bata. Ate, stop. I'm wondering what she wants. Stop. Okay, go. What would you like? La. What is it you want? The pin?
She can borrow one of mine. And she can borrow the ones that are not on it.
Yeah.
Let her borrow one.
But not the pin, honey, because it's very sharp. It's dangerous. La. Lingaw kasi, Inday. It's alright lang. She just wants to do it like that. See? Wait. Such a good girl, Ate. Thank you. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We have to find the car key. Alright, Ling, we're going. Tindog lang ka.
Mama.
Say bye-bye, Tita. We'll see you there. Bye. Say bye-bye, Te. We'll see you there.
Bye-bye, Judah.
Stay there, anak. Dito sila Ate Paris, guys. So meron silang activity today. Dito sila sa ground. Hey! Ate Paris is there somewhere. So they're doing some kind of race. Ate Paris is very excited for this, guys. Sa daw? Gusto din yung pumasok doon, guys. So yun na, allowed naman na. See, yun yung mga parents. Oh, doon. Kami ni Baby sila special. Nandito kami. Come here, Nana, you're not allowed to go in there. See?
Alexis, can I get you to help get those girls on the starting line, which is in between the two white posts? So just guide them into the right spot. Okay, girls, can I get you standing in between the two white sticks, looking at me? So the sports captains are going to help you. And remember, looking at me over this way, because this is the way that we're going to run after we start. Okay. Girls, can I get you to help too? Just get them to shuffle back a little bit to the start line. We've got some space over here as well. Just takes a little bit longer at the start line with the preppies. Over this way. Point to their house. And everybody here also gets a ribbon for going in this race. House. So if you are in red, which is Rossiter, can you put your hand up in the air so I can do a quick count? 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fantastic.
That's only 9 red.
Okay. Passion, which is green. Can you put your hand up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And McConnell. That's just yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Thank you, ladies. Okay, I'm going to be very careful at the start. Keep your hands to yourself. Good luck. Have fun. All right. Ready, set.
Oh no! It's okay.
You're escaping.
Mini, stay here lang. Stay here, Baba.
Go around the yellow post, down the yellow post.
Go Paris! Go see Daddy!
Look at Paris, she's gone, man. She's overtaken.
So way too. Go Paris!
Slow down. That's some sick.
Woohoo! Paris, Celine, stay here now. Woohoo!
Now who was second? McConnell.
I lost track. Yeah, there. Woohoo! Well done, Paris!
Hey, Georgie! Run!
Come on, Georgie! Woohoo!
Okay, follow me back to the tents where you can sit down and maybe even have a quick drink.
We're back in the car. It's now 9:40 ng umaga. So, kakatapos lang natin sa school ni Ate Paris. So, nakita nyo naman. So, they had their fun run. First time ni Ate Paris. Yes, a prep. So, it was, yeah, very fun. Very excited siya kahapon pa lang. Kagabi pagka-uwi namin. She's very, very excited. Take ako ng photos, ng videos. Kasi si Daddy Mike, before siya umalis kanina from school, for work niya, sinabi niya sa akin na take a lot of photos and videos for me. And alam niyo ba, medyo na ano yung heart ko ba kasi kanina nung nag-take ako ng photos, sinend ko sa kanya while he's working, nag-message siya, sabi niya, I really wish I'm there, para, you know, makanood kay Ate Paris. At naiiyak ako. nagiging emotional ako ba kasi totoo nga, you know what I mean? Like na-realize ko na how lucky I am, how blessed I am that I'm able to be there, maka-attend sa mga ganitong school, ni Ate Paris. Kasi we can't avoid the fact na minsan lang tong mangyari. So, Ate Paris is not a kid forever, and yung mga happenings nila sa school na ganito, very, very important. Kasi, yun bang memories na nagagawa mo. And it's memories to keep kasi, you know, pag lumaki si Ate Paris, maalala niya yung childhood niya, sa school niya. I feel so lucky kasi nandoon ako sa moment na yun na hindi ko na-miss. Kasi I would feel the same. Ngayon, nafe-feel ni Daddy Mike kung nasa work ako tapos nami-miss ko yung mga happenings sa buhay ng anak ko. And yeah, kanina pa tumulo yung luha ko guys kasi nakita ko sa Ate Paris, like she was running, she was enjoying it. And at the same time, Daddy Mike said, I wish I was there. And you know, that's just how life works. And wala na tayong magagawa dyan guys. Naiisip ko rin na one day, pag bumalik na ako ng work, ganun din yung mararamdaman ko kay Daddy Mike na, you know, pag na-miss mo yung mga important na mga pangyayari. And although, you know, it's just a fun run at school, hindi naman sa talaga yung parang milestone talaga na malaking pangyayari. But, you know, those little things na makes your kid real happy. It makes you so happy as well. What happened? Nanonood. Gusto din niya sumali doon kanina eh. Pumapasok din siya doon sa ground nila. Anak, no? Don't rush, my love. See? That's why I'm treasuring every millisecond with this one here. Kasi in a blink of an eye, she'll grow up just like Ate Paris, going to school. But yeah, the cycle of life. Ba? Daddy. We're out. So, nag-stop kami dito sa Vietnamese na bakery. We will get something to drink. What are you getting lang? Huh? Shush. Yes. Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Daddy.
Oh. Ang init, guys. It's 31 degrees. After dito, ay uuwi din kami agad kasi meron daw agent na mag-inspect ngayon sa bahay. Ay, shush! Are you excited? Huh? Yeah, look. Hello. Say hi, hello. Oh, you get shy. Dami lang tayo dito, guys. Cookies. Motherhood.
Well, anything else, ma'am?
That's all. How much was it all together?
20 to 40.
22? No worries. Sorry. So good. Thank you. There's a birdie. Hello, birdie. Don't fly away from me. You're waving. Say bye-bye. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Stay there. Mahayang ka lang. You wanna go see the birdie? Careful, okay? Stay here. So, nag-order ako ng guys. hot chocolate. Even if it's hot chocolate pa rin. Come here, anak. I got like fruit as well. Fruit salad tawag nila dito. Pero yung healthy na fruit salad, hindi yung sa atin na may condensed milk. Yung fruit salad is yung parang pinaghalo-halo lang ng mga fruit lang. Fresh fruit. Yes, honey girl. Hang on. Hindi ko nasuklay ang aking hair kaninang umaga, kaya... Okay, tali. 1, 2, ready, go! Ready, steady, go! So here's the fruit salad, guys. Meron silang apple, oranges, watermelon, grapes, rock melon, I think, this one, if I'm not mistaken. Nilagyan pa ng tomato. Agay, natagak pa yun lang. I got a hot chocolate. Someone's having watermelon. Ah, kabulok pa siya magtugsok-tugsok sa iyang pork. Like this? Good girl. Yummy? Yum yum? Yum yum. Uy. Uy. Tingnan nyo. Nakaupo na sa daan. Oh my goodness, Celine. Thank you. Thank you. Andito yung sasakyan, oh. Init pa, guys, eh. Careful, careful, nak. I don't think you're... That one. See? The hole. Look at the hole. Okay. Kanimo, anak. Josh! Oh, finish na. Come. So, it's now 11 o'clock. Actually, it's 10:56, guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa petrol station na malapit sa bahay kasi I decided na maglilinis tayo ng sasakyan. So, kanina, nung nag-park kami doon, nilabas ko to kasi ito yung ginagamit namin na vacuum dito sa loob ng sasakyan. But then, nung inano ko na, parang pinlag ko na siya ba, nangamoy siya, guys. Like, parang sunog na amoy ba? I think it was, dahil sa overheat. Kasi sobrang init na sasakyan before. Tapos ito sobrang init. Tapos, in-insert ko kaagad. Nangamoy siya, guys. So, I think this will go to rubbish now. Wala na. Itatapon na ito. And, ito na lang yung gagamitin namin. Tingnan nyo. Vacuum. Ayan. Kailangan mo ng coins. So, may dalawa akong coins dito. Kasi... bumili din ako nito. Ito siya, guys. Ito yung gagamitin para sa car wash dyan. Yan. So, ka-car wash natin pagkatapos natin vacuum. Kasi tingnan nyo, oh. Sa bahay na natin wipe pa. Pero mostly, vacuum ba? Very, dusty. ko ngayon, guys, is Midday. Nililinisan ko tong bag na to. Kasi, may pipick up. Pick up daw mamaya. Ayan. So, yung ginagamit ko na, ano guys, is, ano na, ito lang, leather na conditioner. Kumusta naman ang aking buhok ko eh? Okay lang ba? Pwede na itong suklayin ngayon kasi tulog si baby so and hopefully she will stay asleep for a bit. My goodness. So, ayan. So, before ko naman binibenta ang ating bag, nililinisan ko para naman happy ang buyer. So, this is the MCM bag. Yung Papillon style. Ayan. So, ito yung ginagamit ko guys na leather conditioner. Ayan. Para maano siya, malinis pa. Kasi, ano lang to sila dyan. Nilalagay ko sa parang yung lagayan nila nagkaka-dust kasi hindi sila nagagamit, diba? So, konting punas-punas lang ay magiging maganda na ulit. Sobrang cute nitong bag na to. No, meron pa siyang pa-charm dyan. MCM. Ganun. Ready na yan siya. Ready to go. And then, since si baby silly natin ay natutulog, I will do some picture taking ng ating mga benta para ma-post natin para meron tayong mabenta. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng mag-expect tayo ng benta kung wala naman tayong ginagawa, di ba? Kung hindi tayo nag-take ng photos, nagpo-post, wala. Minsan, I noticed na kapag kahit na every day meron akong post na isa, parang nalilift yung ibang yung mga old post ko. So for example, may mga bags, obviously hindi naman lahat merong magkakagusto, di ba? So may mga bags na hindi nabebenta for few weeks, ganun. So, kapag nag-post ako today at nagustuhan nila, obviously, most of the customers, titingin sila sa page mo. Tapos, makikita nila lahat yung mga post mo. Lalabas lahat yung mga old na mga, ang tawag dito, na mga listings mo. Especially sa Facebook Marketplace. Kasi yan, kapag the more people na mag-check ng listing mo, the more na aangat siya. So, it means, malalagay siya sa today's pics, ganun. So, pag maraming taong nag-open nun, doon siya, lalabas siya sa mga search ng mga naghahanap ng mga bags. Kaya, very important na regular yung pagpo-post mo para may makakita ng mga listings mo. Kasi kung wala nakikita, wala kang benta. Wala kang benta. So, yung pipicturean natin ngayon is this Prada bag. Ayan, handbag lang siya. Maliit. Cute naman ito eh. So, nilalagyan ko siya ng palaman para magstay yung kanyang shape. Lit ng pala. Super cute. Ganyan lang. Pack! Madam na madam! Maganda to siya pang, office. No? Ang liit. Kaya ang tagal ko matapos sa pag-picture guys kasi I make sure na nakukuha ko talaga lahat ng angle ng bags. Kasi especially kapag sa eBay ko pinost, ano yan sa mostly is for postage. So iba talaga yung kapag hindi mo nakikita yung bag, di ba? So I put myself in the customer's shoe kasi I'm also a consumer. Kaya, yun, lahat ng mga yung mga konting ano ba, flaw, yung may tawag dito, may mga wrinkles, may mga may mga tarnishing na konti kasi hindi naman brand new yung binibenta nating bags. So, we see to it na ilagay natin lahat ng ng pictures, yung relevant photos para yung mga customer ay alam nila kung ano yung i-expect. Diba? But minsan din naman, hindi naman tayo perfect. So, meron ding mga parts na hindi mo na pipicturean. But, you can only do your best. Kaya nga, pag sa Facebook Marketplace na customer, gusto ko yun kasi they can come here and they can view the bag. So, I prefer that way kasi at least, kung hindi nila type yung bag, they can say, no thanks. Diba? Okay lang sa akin yun kasi I believe na there's something na parang meant to be talaga for the bag. Kasi, nangyari na sa akin, plenty of times na may pumunta dito, tapos sabi nila, hindi pala nila type yung bag. Kasi iba yung di ba minsan, iba mo yung nakikita mo sa picture, tapos iba rin kapag nakikita mo sila in person. Kaya, gusto ko kapag pick up, kasi nakikita nila yung item. Parang iwas na ba sa drama later on. Kasi kapag natanggap nila tapos hindi pala ganito, hindi ganito yung in-expect ko. So, meron tayong magkakadrama, 'di ba? So, kapag pumunta sila dito, nag-pick up, tinignan nila ng mabuti, and they're happy with the item, then they can take the item with them home. Kaya, yun yung bet ko. Bet ko to, guys. I really like this one. Kaya hindi ko alam kung saan ko to gagamit. May mga na isang bag ha. Maybe 3 tao na or 4 na tao na yung nagtingin. Sabi nila, tinry nila, hindi daw parang hindi daw fit sa body nila, ganitong ganyan. Tapos may isang pumunta, sabi, oh my God, I really love the bag. Diba? So, yeah, I strongly believe na meron talagang tao na nakalaan para sa grabe, bag na yung pinag-uusapan, pero bakit ang hugot mami niyo? Yeah, may nakalaan talaga na buyer para sa isang bag.